Hey guys, how you doing? I figure beautiful sunny day here in New York and I'm gonna do a EDC packet drop. So start with the hands, Pathfinder, Casio Pathfinder watches. I love them, you know, depends on the day and mood. I switch them. I have a couple watches, but these are, you know, I have these Luminoxes and then the cheap ones. I keep switching depending on the mood and what I put on, what I dress. Survivor bracelets and paracord simple wraps. Carrying as a main EDC 551. That one is actually gonna go to warranty repair. Probably just a swap, because as a Pewtermore viewer, buddy of mine, notice this grind starts much lower than this grind. The difference in the height where it starts is more than quarter inch. That's an email. So normally it wouldn't bother me because it won't affect really the performance, but on a really nice kind of what I would consider high-end knife, I will try to, you know, I think this is gonna be the first time ever for me to you know, send anything to, you know, use a warranty. I don't think I ever did that. What else? Right, left pocket, my phone, actually a new one. I got the iPhone 4S, really loving it. Finally fast, and the camera is actually even too good for the phone. I normally used to upload the videos made with the phone from the phone, but it just takes forever. Right pocket where the knife is, also headphones. Back pocket, I have my Expedition Spartan. Little big, but I got used to it. Took me a while to get used to it. Wallet, just regular stuff in the wallet. I do have a Fisher Space Pen. I always carry Fisher Space Pen in my wallet ever since I got the first one. I love it. It's just a great thing to have the pen that you can always count on. I sign everything with that thing. I have a Victorinox little Swiss card, which I love. I don't use it often, but it's great to know that it's there. On my back, as always, these are the stuff I always have with me. I have my Condor EDC packet organizer, which I love. The only difference, only change is that I lost my what is it? The flashlight, Streamlight Stylus Pro. I lost it, but same thing. One thing from the last time, I actually carry medical, you know, scissors, shears, but all the same thing. I have that mini screwdriver with the 4 small screwdrivers, stainless Sharpie, razor blade, small first aid kit, some painkillers, crazy glue. My Victorinox Farmer is in there and stuff like that. What else? Always carry. Unless I know that I'm gonna go through some screening through metal detectors, always have my Leatherman charge on my belt. I love that Kydex sheet. If you can do Kydex sheet, definitely recommend doing Kydex sheet like this for your multi-tool. It's just awesome, especially if you use it a lot like me. I use it dozens of times a day, so it really comes really handy to being able to pull it out like that, not to worry about anything. Now, pockets. I love these LA Police Gear pens, you know, the operator pens with the lower leg pockets. They just, you know, provide so many nice organized pockets. They have the little compartments in the main cargo pockets, and I love them. I have another Sharpie that I use throughout the day, clipped on my pocket. I actually carry this one there, but this is just, it's no use. It just, I keep playing with this every time I have time to sit down. I love my knife. That's really more like a just to satisfy my ego and my narcissistic part of me. Actually carry one of these power bar. I love these. They're really good when I'm hungry or something. Small little thing like that you don't even feel in your pocket will fill me up for quite a while. It is saying this, I love this little light. Ever since I got it, very useful. Just love how it holds, you know, the functions, pretty simple. And actually even compared to a lot of other tactical lights, you know, the strobe feature, all it takes is click it 3 times and it's right there. You know, other flashlights you have to like keep twisting and untwisting, count how many times. Really liking this, and especially in the job, it's really nice to being able to stand this up and point it in directions. Really like it. Phoenix MC11. Very happy so far with it. Left pocket, always carry a lighter with me, jet lighter, because I use it to, you know, desolder stuff or solder stuff, or bend the you know, the wiring snake that is tempered. You cannot bend it, it will break, so you have to heat it up first. Use that pretty often at job. and my keys clipped on the D-ring in the cargo pocket. My keys, little whistle, little baby flashlight, still working. This is already the second set of batteries it came with. Keys. I have this little peanut lighter I got from a friend. I think this was I got this from Muddy Desire, Buddy Muddy, and he got it off Senior Joben, SR Joben, another good buddy. My Wijidashi, of course, I love that thing, also use it really often throughout the day. And in one of those small little compartments in the cargo pocket I carry a bubble gum. And one of the lower leg pockets I carry the napkins. And last thing I carry on my neck, I actually changed my titanium knife. I'm carrying my dog tags from Thomas Smythe. I love those, it's just so cool. And I carry that little custom Crawford knife that I got at the knife show. Really cool little knife, super light, super small, super handy, very comfortable handle. Just love it. It's a piece of art. Really like it. So that's about it, I think. Not to make it long. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, stay safe, and remember, don't cut yourself.